कितना कुछ सीखने तुमको दिखाऊं मैं।
Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at the Wenatchee River Institute. Yeah, it's an environmental learning center. Ha! And today, you and I are gonna take my binoculars, woohoo, and find some birds. Do you like birds? Yeah, I like birds too. And when we explore, maybe we'll see some other neat things. Let's go! Oh, hey! I'm just using my binoculars to search and find birds. Do you like birds? Yeah, I do too. Coo, coo, chirp, 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 chirp. Oh, birds are so cool. Oh, wouldn't it be nice to be able to fly? Yeah. Well, hey, check these out. These are my binoculars. Yeah, I use these to then be able to see the birds from afar. Yeah, it makes you feel like you're up close and personal with them. So then you can give them their space, which they deserve, but you can see them from afar. Do you see any birds around here? Oh, yeah! There it is! Do you see it? Wow, what color bird is that? Oh, yeah, you're right. It's the color yellow. Whoa, what a beautiful bird that is. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't I open the bird book and see what kind of bird that is? Not that bird. Not that bird. Oh, yeah, here it is. That's totally the bird. This is an American goldfinch. Whoa, it's so cute. It's the color yellow. Hey, and it says here that this is the state bird of Washington, which is where we're at right now. Yeah, in Leavenworth. Whoa, okay, it's about 5 inches. That's about 13 centimeters. Cute little one. It says 4 to 6 eggs. Interesting. Okay, seeds and insects that it eats. Yum. And and it says that they almost always in small flocks. Wow, that must mean that there must be more of them around here. That is so exciting. Well, and they migrate with about 20 other birds. Whoa, they are so cool. All right, I am gonna continue to explore. I just can't find any more birds. Huh. Do you see any birds anywhere? What? You see a bird? Where? Oh, you're right. Right there. Whoa, do you hear that? Yeah! This must be a woodpecker. I love woodpeckers. Okay, let me get out my bird book and see what kind of woodpecker this is. Wow, what a magnificent bird. Okay, let's see here. Oh, no, not that one. Oh, yeah, this looks like it. This must be a downy woodpecker. Wow, it's about 6 inches or 15 centimeters tall. It's actually pecking the tree to find insects or maybe to make shelter. Wow, it lays about 3 to 5 eggs. Okay. It eats insects, seeds. Yeah, insects and seeds. That's a pretty good diet. Wow, what a cool bird that is. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't I use my binoculars to take a closer look? There it is. Wow, That is such a beautiful bird. Wow. Whoa. Okay, let's put these back. And let's see if we can find some more birds. See ya. Wow! Hasn't this been fun finding all these birds together? Yeah, I sure do love birds. Hey, check this out. Wow, this is a pine tree, and some birds love hanging out on this type of tree. Huh, I wonder if there's any birds around here. Let's see. Let's use our binoculars. Huh. Let's see here. Oh. Oh, yeah, right there. There's a bird. Do you see it? Wow. What color of bird is that? Yeah, it looks like it has a black head. And then there's some white on it. And there's some gray. Okay, let's use our bird book to see what kind of bird this is. All right. Oh. All right, let's see. Not that one. Nope, not that one. Let's see here. There's so many different types of birds. Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, this is it. This is a black-capped chickadee. Whoa, it's so cute. Wow, so it's about 5 inches or 13 centimeters in height. Yeah, they lay about 5 to 7 eggs. That's a good amount of eggs. Okay, and seems like they need to feed every single day of the winter. Whoa, they eat a lot of food. Wow, and you can maybe find these in your backyard around here in Washington State. Wow, it's a common backyard bird. Wow, what a cool bird. Wow, this has been so much fun exploring and finding these birds. Do you see any birds around here? Yeah, I can't either. What if we use the binoculars to get a closer look? All right. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, what a beautiful bird. All right, let's explore this bird book and see what kind of bird it is. Let's see. Not that bird. Not that bird. Yeah, right here. This is a cedar wax ring. Whoa, what a cute bird. Whoa, says it's about 7.5 inches. That's about 19 centimeters. Oh, let's see. It lays about 4 to 6 eggs. That's a good amount of eggs. And it eats cedar cones, fruit, and insects. Wow, what a great bird. I love the cedar waxwing. All right, let's put the book away. Let's let the bird be, and let's go explore some more. Come on. Wow! This has been so much fun finding all these birds with you. Do you like birds? Yeah! Cool, cool! Cool, cool! Oh, birds are so cool. I love how they have wings and feathers. Well, hey, I have another really fun thing for us to do together. All right, check this out. These are all the things we need to make our very own birdhouse and to paint it. Okay, first, let's take this piece of wood and let's put the 2 walls up. Yeah, perfect. There we go. And now we have the front door. Oh, oh, you have to line everything up. Oh, there we go. Wow, perfect, look. Oh, hey, what is that? Yeah, that is a heart. Whoa, and that heart is how the bird goes inside the birdhouse. All right, let's put the back door on. Here we go. Line it up. Oh, perfect. There we go. Little tricky, but it works. All right, there we go. What are we missing? Yeah, the roof. Okay, now we have one piece right here. There we go. Okay, now we have a second piece. Check that out. Now we have a birdhouse. Okay, now we're gonna need to tie this string on the top. See this string? And if we tie it right through here, and then the birdhouse, we're going to be able to put on a tree limb. Yeah, just like we're gonna be able to hang it on a tree limb, and then the birds are gonna have their very own house. Oh, it looks so cozy. Whoa. Okay, we're not done yet though. We have some painting to do. I have a paintbrush, and I have some paint. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, let's dip the paintbrush in there. Now that we have the color orange, now we can paint on the side. I'm gonna put a letter. Okay, what letter does it look like? Looks like an I or an L, but we're not done yet. Here we go. Yeah, you're right. It's the letter B. B for bird. Yeah, because we saw so many birds today. Okay, let's rinse out our brush. Now, we have a B on this side, and let's make another design on this side. That's my second favorite color. Well, they're actually tied. Yeah, blue and orange. Here we go. All right. This, we're going to draw another letter. Okay. Here we go. Can you guess what letter? Yeah, looks like an I or an L again. Whoa. Yeah. I did another B. Yeah. B for Blippi this time. Whoa. We have B for Blippi and B for bird. All right, now it's time to go find this birdhouse a tree limb. So then the birds can have their own home. Let's go. Whoa, check it out. It's the perfect tree for the perfect birdhouse. Wow, this is a pine tree. See all these long pine needles? Yeah, some birds love hanging out by this type of tree. So let's put the birdhouse right here. This looks like a great limb to put it on. Yeah, just like that. Whoa! Does that look cozy or does that look cozy? Yeah, it looks cozy. If I was a bird, I'd definitely want to hang out in there. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. All right, now I'm gonna go home. Oh, I can't fit.
आओ मेरे संग मिलके करे फन इतना कुछ सीखने तुमको दिखाऊं मैं Blippi
Hey! It's me, Blippi, and look at what's behind me. Whoa! A blue and yellow airplane! Yeah! Did you see how I was acting like an airplane? Woo-hoo-hoo! I sure do love airplanes. But hey, today I'm at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. And today you and I are gonna learn about airplanes. Yeah, let's go! Oh, hello. Welcome to Blippi Airlines. Where are you heading today? Wow, that sounds like a great destination. Is it for business or pleasure? Awesome. All right, let's see. You are all checked in. Do you have a bag? Okay, perfect. Ooh, thank you. Okay, let's put the bag on the scale. All right, looks like you're within the limitation, so let me put this on the conveyor belt. Okay, well, have a great flight. But wait a second, that sounds like so much fun. Do you mind if I come? Perfect, all right. There we go. Now I have a ticket too. Okay, let me come around. I am so excited for our trip together. Hey, we have to go through security, all right? Oh, did you hear that? Oh, that means I must have something I shouldn't have on me. Oh, I know what it is. It's just my cell phone. All right, I'll put that there. Come on. All right, here we go. Perfect, let's go. Wow, look at the airplane. Whoa, look at the fuselage, the cabin, and look at the tail up there. Whoa, this is gonna be such a fun flight. All right, let me put your bag down right here. There you go, bag. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, a fuel truck. Whoa, check it out. Fuel. All right, let's grab the hose and let's make sure that the airplane has a lot of fuel. Here we go, let's connect it. Oh, perfect, it's full. All right, here we go. Okay, now that the aircraft has a lot of fuel, now we can buckle up. Okay, first, let's put on our seatbelt. There we go. Okay, now we'll listen for instructions for the flight.
Thank you for choosing Blippi Airlines. Please mind the aisles and be sure to find the nearest emergency exit. Buckle your seatbelt and make sure it's nice and tight. And in case you need an air mask, it will come down from above.
All right, now that we got the safety briefing and passengers are seated, now I think I should fly the airplane. Whoa, check it out. Wow, so many cool gauges and instruments. Whoa, all right, here we go. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, check it out. See this airplane? It's so big! Yeah! I am way smaller than this airplane. And do you see what these are? Yeah! These are called wings. Most airplanes have 2 wings that go from the side, but not all of them. Some have more. Whoa, and look at this. See, the main body of the airplane is called the fuselage. Wow, this airplane is actually used to put people inside and transport them from one location to the other location, just like, say, a car or a boat or a bicycle, but way quicker. But hey, remember how I said this airplane is so big? Here, come follow me, and I have another airplane for you. And it is not very big. Remember how I said that plane is really big? Check this one out. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, this plane is small. Well, it's smaller compared to that plane, but I'm sure there's smaller airplanes than that one. But hey, what colors do you see on it? Yeah, red, white, and blue. Yeah, woohoo! Oh, and what shape is that? Oh, yeah, that looks like a star. Whoa, this plane looks like it goes so fast. Whoa! Whoa, check it out. This engine actually goes to an aircraft. Yeah, but there's no outside casing around it. Whoa, it is so big. Look how big it is compared to me. And do you see everything in there? There's so many hoses and tubes and... Oh, geez. So the air goes in right here, gets compressed, fire, and then boom! Whoa! These tires are so big! And there's actually 2 tires right there. Yeah, we're at the front of the aircraft. So let's head to the back of the aircraft and see how many tires are back here. Whoa! Do you see them? Wow! There's so many more tires back here. Wow, this plane must be really heavy. Yeah, that's probably why they have so many tires. Whoa! And look how big this wing is! If it was raining, I definitely would not get wet. Whoa! Check out this airplane. It looks like it goes really fast. Hey, what color of airplane is it? Yeah, you're right. It's blue with a little bit of yellow. Good job. Whoa, look at how big that airplane is. Whoa, do you see the colors of it? Yeah, it's white, red, and gray. Let's go find some more colors. Whoa, look at this airplane. Do you see something different with it? Yeah, there's 2 wings over here. And there's 2 on the other side. Yeah, so it has 2 sets of wings. That's really cool. But hey, we're here to learn the color of it. What color is this airplane? Yeah, you're right. You said green. Good job.
All the people, they look like ants when we're up with the birds. On the airplane, the wings keep us gliding. We're on top of the world. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah. Get your passport, get your luggage. We're going on an adventure. Wear your seatbelt, feel the plane taking off and take in the view. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah. We're going to fly.
fun learning about airplanes with you. Today at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. Do you like airplanes? Yeah, I do too. They're so cool how high they fly in the sky. And how there's small airplanes and big airplanes. Wow. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
आओ मेरे संग मिलके करे फन कितना कुछ सीखने तुमको दिखाऊं मैं
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look at what's behind me. Whoa, a really cool sign. What does it say? Kart International Speedway. Yeah! Today, I'm at Kart International Speedway in Tukwila, Washington. Hey, and check out that and that. What are those? Yeah, those are go-karts. Today, you and I are gonna learn and drive some go-karts. Whoa! Did you see those? Those were flags. Yep, and when you're racing go-karts, it's very important to listen to the flagger. Yeah, because the go-kart engines are so loud, they probably can't yell at you. And through the helmet, you can't hear them. So you can communicate with colored flags. Let's learn about them. Whoa, what color is this flag? Yeah, that flag is the color green. And this means it's the start of the race. As soon as that green flag drops, it's go time. Oh, look at this flag. Yeah, this flag is the color yellow. Yeah, and the yellow flag, when you see the flagger, that means to slow down. Yeah, do not pass. That might mean that there's a little problem on the track. So be very careful. It means caution. Whoa, look at this flag. Wow, yeah, the color red. Just like a stop sign or a stoplight, it means stop immediately. There might be a big problem on the track. Maybe a couple carts spun out and they're blocking the track. Yeah, who knows? This flag just means to stop when you see it. Oh, another flag. Whoa, what color flag is this? Yeah, one of my two favorite colors. This is the blue flag. And when you see the flagger moving it up, that means move over, let others pass. Yeah, maybe I'll be going really slow. And that means if I see the blue one, I'm gonna move over to let others pass. Yeah, it's really important to be safe on the track. Oh, look at this one. Black flag. You are out of the race. Oh no, that doesn't sound like fun. Yeah, you might get this if you did something you shouldn't have, like maybe bumped people. Yeah, you're not supposed to bump during go-karts. These aren't bumper cars, they're go-karts. Oh, yeah, the white flag. That means one lap remaining. Oh, you know what this means? Give it some gas and go for the win. And the last flag. Yep, the black and white checkered flag. That means the race is over and that you probably won. Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, it's a go-kart. Yeah, we're learning about go-karts. Hey, let's learn the parts of a go-kart. Whoa, this thing is so awesome. Hey, do you know what this is called? Yeah, this is where you sit. Yeah, and this is called a seat. Whoa, look at what I'm holding. Yeah, this is the steering wheel. Pretty cool, huh? This is how you turn left and you turn right. Yeah, just like steering a car or a truck, yeah, go-karts also have a steering wheel. Look at what my feet are pushing on. Yeah, this. See the red? That is the brake pedal. Yeah, if you push down on that, this is gonna stop the go-kart. And you see this one over here? What color is this one? Yeah, that's the color green. And you know what green means? Green means go! Whoa! Whoa, check this out. Yeah, one great thing about go-karts is they're nice and safe because they have a seatbelt. You have to remember to always wear your seatbelt. Yeah, and then obviously we'll be wearing a helmet too. Whoa, look at right here. Right in the center, this is where you fill up the go-kart with fuel. This go-kart takes gas. Let's open it up. Whoa, it's nice and full in there. I think it's ready to ride. So hey, have you ever seen the engine of a go-kart? Come check it out. All right. Wow, look at this. So let's pull off the cover. Whoa, look at the engine of the go-kart. Whoa, this is what creates the power. The gas goes in here, it mixes with air, and then there's a spark from a spark plug, and then power is created. Wow, what a cool machine. I think it is time to ride a go-kart. Whoa, check out all of these go-karts. I am so excited to beat the lap record. Whoa, check them out. Whoa. Do you see all of these go-karts? Yeah, all of these go-karts have a red number plate. That's so cool. Whoa, and look at all of these go-karts. All of these go-karts have a black number plate. Whoa, there's so many numbers. Come on. Whoa, look at this number. What number is this? There's a 1 and a 6. Yeah, 16. Yeah. Whoa. 2 of the same number. And both of the numbers are 2. 2, 2. What number is that? Yeah, 22. Good job. Hey, I have a simple math equation for you. Let's see. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! The number 3! Yeah! These go-karts look so much fun. Hey, let's pick one at the front and then let's go for a ride! Let's see. How about this one? All right, let's hop in. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not quite yet. You need to be very safe while you ride a go-kart. Let's go pick out a helmet. Whoa! Look at all of these helmets we can choose from. Whoa, I am so excited. Whoa. Check out this helmet. Yeah, this helmet looks so cool. It's the color green, black, white, whoa, and shiny silver. Whoa. Ooh, looks like we have one of my 2 favorite colors. Yeah, a blue helmet. Wow, this looks like a cool helmet. Whoa, look at this helmet. Yeah, what color helmet is this? Yeah, the color pink. I like this helmet. Helmets are really important to keep your head nice and safe while we're out go-karting. Can't forget about the color red. Whoa, look at this. Ring, ring, ring. And the last color helmet that we have, is the color yellow. Yeah, that's a nice color. Kind of reminds me of the color of the sun, huh? Yeah. Man, there are so many colors of helmets here. What color helmet would you pick? Oh, I love that color. But I need a helmet right now. Let's see. I have an idea. Why don't I use some of my own safety equipment? Pants! Yeah! Woohoo! Gloves. Whoa! Yeah! Helmet. Yeah! Now I'm ready to race. Ha! Let's go! All right, I think I am ready. Sit in the go-kart. Ooh, safety first. We have to wear our helmet, and we need to make sure we're buckled up.
All right, Blippi, you look completely ready to go. The track record, 23.3. You think you can beat that?
I've never been more ready in my life. But wait a second, what's my time?
23.29. New track record!
Oh, look at it! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Jeez, that was awesome! Did you see how fast we went? Oh, I love go-karts! Wow, this has been so much fun at Kart International Speedway in Tukwila, Washington. Woohoo! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi! Good job! Ha ha ha! All right, see you again. Bye-bye!
आओ मेरे संग मिलके करे फन इतना कुछ सीखने तुमको दिखाऊं मैं Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi. Whoa, and look at where we're at. Whoa, what a cool store. Hey, wait a second. We're at Allegro Performing Arts Academy in Kent, Washington. Yeah, you know how I like to dance? Woo, yeah. Wow, this place is where you can come and dance in one of their studios, and you can even maybe take a dance lesson. Woohoo! This is gonna be so much fun. Let's go. Oh, hey.
Hello.
Who are you?
My name is Emily. Who are you?
I'm Blippi. I'm here for the class.
Awesome. Sounds like so much fun.
Yeah, what should I do?
So you can go ahead and go back into the studio, and I'm going to be able to teach you a dance class today. So go
okay.
ahead and start stretching.
Okay, let's go stretch and get warmed up. Let's go. Whoa, check it out. This is a dance studio. This is where you and I are gonna learn our dance from Emily. Whoa, check it out. There's some nice smooth floor. Yeah, it's really shiny. Whoa, woo-hoo. Look at This? Yeah, this looks like a mirror. Whoa, hello. Hey. Yeah, dance studios have mirrors right in front of you, so then you can practice your dance moves. Woo! Yeah! Wow! And see how you did. I definitely nailed that one. Okay, remember what Emily said? Yeah, we need to stretch and we need to warm up before she comes in to teach us our dance lesson. Okay, first things first, I need to take off my shoes. Oh, so stinky. Okay, let's put them right over here. Now we need to stretch. Yeah, we need to stretch our muscles really far and wide so we do not injure ourselves. So first, let's stretch down. See how I'm stretching? Oh, I can almost touch my toes. Now we need to warm up, she said. Yeah, that means we need to get our body moving in some way or another. I mean, you could jog if you want. Yeah, you could jog. You can do some squats. Wow. Or you can just do some sweet dance moves to warm up. Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Dance today?
Oh, hey Emily, yeah, I love learning and I love dancing. Sure.
Awesome. Would you like to see it first?
Yeah. Okay, she'll show me the dance first and then I'll learn it. Whoa, that looks really hard, but I think I'm up for it. Will you teach me?
Absolutely.
Okay.
All right, so how we're gonna start is we're gonna start really close to the floor. So you wanna make a ball post. You wanna get really close into your knees, right?
Okay.
Yes, from here you're gonna hold 4 counts. So you're gonna count in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna make a big star pose, jump your legs out, reach your arms way up to the sky. And you hold this for 4 counts, and we're gonna count it 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here, you're going to shake your hips side to side with big arms, starting to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now we're gonna learn what's called a grapevine. Yes?
Ooh, okay,
Yeah.
I don't see any grapes though.
Silly goose. It's a dance move. So you're gonna
Okay.
start with your hands on your hips. You're gonna step out with the right foot. You step out to the side. You cross this next foot behind, your left foot behind. Then you step out again. Then you're gonna jump together and clap on count 4. 4. And then you're gonna step out to the side on the left. Step out to the side. Cross that right leg behind. Step the left foot out. Out. Jump, clap together. Good. Then from here, we're gonna make strong arms down at our sides. You're gonna step, touch, side to side. So you step out with the right foot, out, then step together with that left foot, together. Step with the left foot out, right foot together. Step right foot out, left foot together. Good. Step left foot out, right foot together. Now, last thing we need to learn. You're gonna step out with your feet, hands are gonna go onto your knees. You're gonna bounce 2 times. Ready? You bounce. 1, 2, then you do 2 claps. Clap, clap. But it has to stay at the same tempo as the music.
Okay.
Yes. So you bounce. 1, 2, clap. Good. Now make sure your feet are nice and wide apart because we want to be confident when we dance, right?
Okay, yeah, confidence.
Absolutely. So we always want to make sure we have nice wide feet. Closed feet, not so much. You want nice wide feet. So you do want to try every single move nice and slow all together.
Okay.
All right. Now remember, we have to count in our head to 8.
Okay, was that it?
That was it.
Wow.
That was it.
I just learned that full dance, and I think I'm ready. Am I ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay, let's hit that music.
1, 2, 3, 4, spin. Shake your hips. Great, fine. Step touch. Bounce it. Clap.
Yeah, we did it! That was awesome! Good job, and good job to you.
Thank you so much, Blippi.
Yeah, well, thank you for teaching me and them how to dance.
Absolutely.
Hey, check this out. Emily's doing another dance. Come on. Whoa! This style of dancing is called jazz. It looks like so much fun. You know jazz? Yeah, it's a type of music. Check it out. Whoa, do you see what Emily's doing now? Yeah, she's doing ballet. And she's actually using the ballet bar. Check it out. That is so cool. And this type of dancing is so elegant. Wow. Whoa! I have been having so much fun dancing today. Woo! What? Ah! Do you like dancing? Yeah, I like dancing because it's a great way to get out your energy and exercise. Yeah, I love being healthy. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't I teach you a dance so then you and I can dance together? Would that be fun? Yeah! Okay, the first thing about dancing is what's called rhythm. Yeah, every song has rhythm. It's basically the beat. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna clap my hands, and then you clap your hands with me at the same time, okay? Ready? Good job! Yeah! You feel this? Yeah! This is rhythm! Yeah, we did it! Good job. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that again, but now we're gonna want to move our legs to the rhythm, okay? Ready? Here we go. There we go. We got it. Double time. Good job. Okay, now that we understand rhythm and beats, now we can learn the parts of the dance, okay? First thing, yeah, you see this up there? Yeah, what machine is that? Yeah, that is a bulldozer. So we're gonna dance as if we're bulldozers. First, you need to put your hands up like it's the blade of the bulldozer. Yeah. Okay, then you need to move your legs and dance like a bulldozer. Yeah, there we go. We're totally like bulldozers. I love bulldozers. Whoa. Okay, all right, so that's gonna be the first dance move. And then the second dance move, yeah, we're gonna act like kangaroos. Yeah, do you know what a kangaroo is? Yeah, whoa, such cool animals. Okay, the cool thing about kangaroos is how high they can jump. All right, put your hands like this, and then jump really high. Whoa! Yeah! Okay, I bet you can do that one really good at home. Okay, now the third dance move we're gonna do is, yeah, that's a dinosaur, isn't it? What kind of dinosaur is that? Yeah, a T-Rex. Good job. Okay, so the funny thing about T-Rexes are they have short little hands. Yeah, like that. But they're actually really fierce, so you have to act fierce. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, but now we need to put that all into rhythm and a beat. Yeah, and then you act like a T-Rex. Rah, 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 rah. Okay, those are the 3 dance moves. But now, remember, we need a rhythm and a beat. So, hit it, DJ. Remember the first one? Yep, bulldozer dance. Good job. Plow the dirt. Wow, that was really good. I'm really proud of you. That was such a good bulldozer dance. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the second dance move. Remember it? It was an animal, and it jumps really high. Yeah, a kangaroo. Ready? Wow, kangaroos are so cool. They can jump so high. Woo! All right, shake it off. Okay, now for the third dance move, the T-Rex. Ready? Rah! 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 Oh, I am so tired. Did you see that? Yeah, that was so much fun doing all those sweet dances today at Allegro Performing Arts Academy in Kent, Washington. Wow! I sure do love to dance. Hey, if you're around this area, you can come and do the very same creative movement class that I did today. Wow, that was so much fun. Or, yeah, I'm sure you have a local performing arts studio where you can learn to dance. Yeah, there's a lot of cool dances you can do, like jazz and tap and ballet. Whoa, even acro! That sounds like so much fun. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. All right, I'm gonna go and take a nap now at home. I am so tired.
आओ मेरे संग मिलके करे फन इतना कुछ सीखने